In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start using Glide as a no-code builder to create your very own applications. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first step is to open your web browser. Glide is a web-based platform, so you'll access it directly through your preferred browser. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Glide website. You'll typically find it by searching for Glide or going directly to glideapps.com. On the Glide homepage, locate and click the Login button. This will take you to the Sign In or Sign Up page. After logging in, you'll be prompted to create a new application. Click on New App to begin. Glide offers templates to get you started quickly, but for this tutorial, we'll be building from scratch. So, click on Blank to start with an empty canvas. This gives you the most control over your app's design and functionality. Next, to finalize the creation of your new blank app, click Create App. Now that your app is created, it's time to add some data. Click on Data at the top of the screen. Here you'll see section to create tables. Click on Make a Table to begin organizing your information. You can then enter your data directly into the table, much like you would in a spreadsheet, defining columns and filling in rows with your specific content. With your data in place, let's move on to the visual aspect of your app. Click on Layout at the top. In the left sidebar, you'll find an Add button within the navigation section. Click this, and then select the table you just created. This will link your data to a visual representation in your app. On the right sidebar, you can then choose a style for how this data will be displayed, customizing its look and feel. To add interactive elements, click the plus button, Add Component on the left sidebar. After selecting a component, you'll configure its specific settings on the right sidebar. This might involve choosing what data it displays, how it behaves, or what actions it triggers. Finally, when you're ready to share your creation with the world, click Publish in the top right corner of the screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.